Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 23 of the Advent of Code um, in the year 2024. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and how Larry did it and all these things. I'm going to switch to this view so you can see what I'm coding. We have about 40 seconds to go. I'm having a little bit of a weird, rough ending to a day. My phone is resetting every 2 minutes. So I'm trying to figure it out. I'm still in El Salvador, in Santa Ana, to kind of, well, just traveling. So trying to set up my, just imagining traveling in these days without a phone, right? Which is also your camera and all these things. Also, some sunburn maybe. But in any case, you don't need to hear my life story, but I am tired and I'm just trying to figure it out. And we have 13 seconds, so wish me luck. Yeah, okay. Come on, Larry, read the problem correctly, hopefully, and correctly. 2, 1, go, go, go. Ooh, what is this? Connection between computers, okay. For example, the 12 sets of interconnected computers, so K3. Okay. Okay. I mean, I don't know how to do it, but right, and then maybe just like oh man, right. Okay, so then now you have edges, and then now what? Yeah. So then now for A in E dot keys, right? For B in E dot keys, yeah. Let's actually make them sets. If A is not equal to B, okay, yeah, union is equal to E dot A and E dot B, and then now, yeah, and then what? Okay, so yeah, if A starts with T or B starts with T, I guess I should start that first. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. No, because the union could be true. Okay, for K and U, okay, whatever. Or K starts with T, then yeah, set we want to add it, right? Whatever. Okay, so then now we have L is equal to A, B, K, sorted tuple, and then com dot add L, and then that's it. What are you doing, Larry? I get the I didn't think it would have that much. 48 is wrong, so that's definitely not right. AQ, the 12 internet computers. Why? This should be right. Why? What am I doing wrong? CGTB. Okay. TBYN or YNTB. No. So why is that? Huh? What? E sub A. What am I doing wrong? This should be done. I am just, maybe I'm doing something stupid. I mean, clearly at least that. Is that right? It should be right. Looks okay. So then why is this wrong? Print A, B, U. Okay. Oh, they have to be in. Okay, A has to. I'm dumb. B and A and. B and U sub A, Larry. Okay, I am dumb, and then now we're done though. Still 1194. That's kind of funny, and that was the right answer anyway. So I got unlucky, lucky maybe kind of thing, right? Because before that, even without that thing, no, that was wrong. I was wrong. It was close though. Okay, let's focus on part 2, Larry. I should have been done. That was dumb. Dumb, silly mistakes. I forgot. Okay, people are so fast. Okay, so remember the computer. So largest quick. I kind of expected something like this actually. How do I do largest quick? Right. I actually was looking at this at some point, but so I could probably figure it out because it's I actually have this thing installed. Okay, so right, how do I want to do it? I'm trying to find my code. Okay, so okay, this is cheating, but whatever. I'm looking at the API right now. I'm just trying to like Google it for it. Add edge AB, and then okay, and then yeah. I don't know what the can I not define it? Graphics. What is the thing? Network I thought I had it set up. Maybe not. Oh. Okay. Okay, so then now we have this as a list. So then we want to sort, what's the problem one? Sort it and then comma it. Okay, sort it, comma. $2.18. I thought I was hoping not enough people use it, but I don't know. I mean, honestly, this is cheating. I don't know if it's cheating, but I just know the library, right? So I don't know. And this is clear. Well, 21 seconds. I mean, 5 minutes is fast. I don't even know. Yeah, I mean, I was well, I was just too slow in part one, but to get it to have a real chance at part two. But oh, I'm looking at this. But you know, what was my times exactly? But at least it was a fast one, so I'm happy about that. 5 minutes. I don't even have. Yeah, I mean, that typo was pretty bad. And part two, 3 minutes feels a little slow, honestly, just because I didn't do anything. I just had to Google a bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. So I didn't have this ready per se, but I thought maybe we had a chance at max flow problem. So that's why I was looking at Network X earlier, like a week ago maybe, before I left for El Salvador. So I kind of knew this one, but because I remember saying quick, but maybe someone had. I don't know. Maybe there's other ways to write it, but this is my way of doing it. At least this is fast, so that's good. I don't really have much of an explanation, frankly, today, because I just used the library. And we could talk about the math. I don't actually know the largest quick, but because largest quick, I think is in the worst case NP complete, right? Well, I guess, is that it? Max quick NP complete, or maybe NP hard. I always forget which one's which. I mean, not that I forget which one's which, I forget what problems and what, because it's been too long. So yeah, so quick decision is NP complete. So yeah, so in that sense, you know, you could do some pruning, you could do whatever, but it's going to be NP complete, right? You know, what that means, I don't know. I mean, apparently ChatGPT knows it, but it's also like a library thing. Even if ChatGPT doesn't know certain libraries, it knows how to calculate it and then just run it. And this was brazenly fast anyway. Anyway, sorry, that's part two. But for part one, yeah, for part one, we just want a triangle. And I missed this part for some reason. But basically, you want, and I guess this can never happen anymore. Yeah, I guess I print too much. But I wanted to print this for debugging purposes, and I'd end up doesn't show anyway. But yeah, what else am I printing? Oh, this one, because I was confused. Whenever you have to debug, it's GG, right? But in any case, for part one, yeah, well, I forget what n is actually. Let's see. It tells. I have something that tells me. Huh. That's a lot of. Oh, that's number of edges, not the number of nodes. Right, so let's see, 520. So this is 520 cube, which is actually not super fast, but it's not going to be like that. It's well, I mean, it is if you actually have a complete graph, but you know, and yeah, it might be if you have a complete graph, but if you have a complete graph, it's a silly problem anyway, right? Maybe, so 500 cube-ish, or 500 choose 3 if you want to be more precise. It's actually kind of sketchy. 500 choose 3 is like, oh, it's only 20 million, so I'm wrong. Because I guess the choose 3 part is, the 3 part makes it a lot easier. Because then now you divide it by like 6 or something, right? So okay, so maybe that's fine. But in any case, yeah, so you can see that's fast, and also some of these operations are fast, like this is fast, or like it's linear but faster than that, because I think in Python terms anyway, it is optimized. And then yeah, and then now for each of those items, you know, we just check if any of these is true, and then make, you know, just put things in a set, and that's it, right? And yeah, and in the end, there are only 1194 things, so pretty simple, I think. And if we don't have this, I wonder how many things do we have? So 11,000. So even if we don't have it, there's not that many things for it. And yeah, and then for part two, I'm not gonna go in detail. Like I said, it's maximum quick, and it really is this problem is that definition, right? So I don't have anything to explain about it. It is that this problem, and so max click, yeah, like I said, is NP complete earlier. So there's really no better way to solve this. You could do pruning, you can play around with ideas, you can maybe like do some growing things to kind of like heuristics to generally get in. And I imagine it converges pretty quickly, or at least maybe some emergence is possible. You could do some funky things. I don't know, honestly. And I don't, how many ends are there in this one? I forget, 520. So yeah, 520 on an NP problem. I hope there are some things, but yeah, but for me, I will use a library, and yeah, I had it set up. I didn't realize I didn't have it ready, but oh yeah, that's why it took some time, because I had to like set up. I did have it in my template, and I apparently did not have my environment set up. I forgot to set it up, so very amateur things, but I guess I just haven't needed it. Or maybe I restarted the computer at some point, and then I didn't realize that I needed to do it again. In any case, that's it. You know, I don't have anything too crazy. Let me know what you think. Yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later, and take care. Hopefully tomorrow. Bye bye.